Hi everybody, Josh Denbo here. I want to talk about a very important fraud that's being perpetrated by big business, and it's being assisted by the Trump administration. And I don't really give a crap about your politics, that's fact. So what's going on is Fannie and Freddie are quasi-private government entities. Put aside that Trump's trying to shut them down, but they're not shut down yet. And they bought loans, gazillions of them, and they made a lot of money by properly servicing them and other ways. But one of the things they did was they sold some of their loan portfolio off to various private entities, but they sold it with a contract, and every single contract from Fannie and Freddie said, for the next 5 years, Mr. Hedge Fund buying this loan, you have to honor Fannie Freddie modification guidelines. You have to. And then the debt buyers all agreed that they would do it. The Consumer Finance Protection Bureau was the brainchild of Elizabeth Warren, and it enacted a lot of consumer protection statutes and enforced them. This was wonderful for consumers. Honestly, it's wonderful for business because it punished bad actors and benefited good actors. Now Trump has dismantled the CFPB and the hedge funds have gone hog wild. And one of the things they've done is they have stopped honoring the contracts that they signed with Fannie and Freddie. For example, Fannie and Freddie loss mitigation guidelines provide that the same interest rate that people have when they go into loss mitigation should be honored. The loan can be converted to 40 years to make it affordable, and under the Fannie Freddie guidelines, the loan balance can be, the principal balance can be deferred up to 50% in order to get to an affordable payment. That's the guidelines that the hedge funds agreed to abide by. The hedge funds that bought these loans have stopped honoring it because they know the CFPB will not pursue it under the Trump administration. And they are demanding 7-8% fixed rate loans, and if people don't agree, then they foreclose and take their houses. That's fact. It's ugly, it's disgusting, it's predatory. I'm looking to do things about it. If that's you, especially if you're in New Jersey, let me know, okay? I know that there's a lot of predatory modification companies out there, and I don't want to sound like one of them, so I'm telling you how the inside baseball works, what's really going on, how bad it is, and that I'm actively looking to create problems for the predatory companies here. All right, listen, if you're in trouble, reach out for help. I only practice in New Jersey, but I know a lot of attorneys around the country. So if you have this issue and you're in New Jersey, I really want to talk to you. If you're not in New Jersey, reach out to me because I may have resources that other people don't, and I'll just send you on your way if I have the resource in the state you're in to assist. And this is just because we're all in this fight together, okay? All us consumers, I don't give a shit who you voted for. Everybody needs protection.